Help! I need somebody, help! Not just anybody, help! I need someone, help! This will be the final module in the section. I just wanted to take a moment to reinforce that you can find the help that you need in CentOS 7 by using the man command and then entering whatever command you're curious about. You've seen me do that several times so far in the course. So for example, man sudo is going to bring up the manual for the sudo command. So if you see any sort of command that somebody's using, you want to learn more about it, maybe you've seen a command line or a line of code, something that somebody's recommending you type into the command line and you're not quite sure what's going on there, you can begin to break it down by trying to open the manual page for each of the commands that you're curious about. So use man in order to open up the manual. Also know that within programs, you're very often going to have help available to you. And it does depend on the program. So I'm going to take a shot here and I'm going to go ahead and open up a program called Parted. And then if I type help, you can see here that it brings up a nice little list of options here. And let's go ahead and exit out of that or quit. See, these programs, some of them are different, whether it's quit, it's exit, it's control Q, it's just the Q key to quit. You'll get used to some of those things. Finding help is usually going to be simply typing in help. Sometimes you'll need to type -- help in order to learn more about something. Like if we do ifconfig help, let's see if we actually get some help. And it looks like we did. Other times, the program will know that you don't know what the heck you're doing. And so you'll be like, cut, yes. And then cut's going to be like, hey, you need to specify a list of bytes, characters, or fields. Try cut -- help for more info. So if you need help finding help, then just, try and think a little bit about, what would be obvious. If you're having difficulty with a program, open up the manual page. If you're not quite sure of the syntax with a program on the command line, try issuing help. And if you still don't know what to do, then you might just type in something like that, and the program will have mercy on your soul, and it will tell you how you can get more help. Those are the basic ways of finding help. Linux really is, I think, very intuitive. Once you step into it and you start using it, you find out that these programs and the command line, that the operating system itself wants to help you out and make your life easier. So if you're having difficulty, you can try these things in order to get help. And of course, if you're having difficulty with a specific command, you can post in the discussion board and I'd be happy to answer those questions there. Hey, thanks for completing this section. You've done a great job making it this far. Believe me when I say I track the progress of my students, and not everybody makes it this far into a course. So you are doing tremendous, and I just wanted to say thank you for giving me your time, and I really hope you're benefiting from this course. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can send me a private message. You can post in the discussion board. I do want to be here for you. I'm a part of what you paid for with this course. So please use me as an instructor and as a resource. I would love to help you out in gaining greater proficiency in Linux and CentOS in particular.